Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden. Coming to you on a windy day from the Florida Keys. Today I'm coming to you in an effort to help clear up some variegated pothos confusion. Yes, I'm talking about the Marble Queen, Manjula, Pearls and Jade, and NJoy. While these variegated pothos are all beautiful, it's often confusing trying to figure out which is which. In fact, I've purchased the Manjula twice and it was mislabeled as a Pearls and Jade, so clearly we're not the only ones confused. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison and hopefully help to clear up some of the confusion. At the end of the video, I'll also show each individual plant and its label. First is the Marble Queen Pothos. It has highly variegated leaves. The variegation for the most part looks like it's been spattered with a paintbrush. Coloring on these leaves tends to be a yellowish cream color and green. And the leaves on the Marble Queen Pothos tend to be larger than some of the other variegated varieties. So next up is the Manjula Pothos, and here is where the trouble, the confusion begins. As you can see, the Manjula Pothos looks similar to the Marble Queen. The leaves are fully variegated. The coloring is quite similar in the green and the yellowish cream color. However, if you look, there's more solid green on these leaves and the edges tend to be green. In a side-by-side comparison, it's easier to see the differences as well as the similarities. In the Manjula, the green areas look like they're more painted on like brush strokes, whereas the Marble Queen just tends to have that spattered effect. See the differences? But the coloring and the leaf size is quite similar, as you can see. Next up is my favorite, the NJoy Pothos. The leaves on the NJoy are smaller than on the Marble Queen and the Manjula. And the green variegation is also much darker and deeper. The white is a brighter white and it doesn't have the speckles on it like the Manjula and the Marble Queen. And each leaf to me looks like it was hand painted and it looks like a work of art. I think the leaves on this plant are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so now you're thinking, well, that one's easy to identify. Well, in comes the Pearls and Jade and starts the confusion. This plant also has small leaves and it has variegation similar to the Marble Queen. It has the white edges similar to the NJoy and the deeper green variegation that looks like it was painted on. So it's causing all kinds of confusion. Most times this plant is confused with the NJoy. Here they are side by side. Again, with them side by side, it's easy to see the similarities as well as the differences. Problem is, you seldom see them in the same place at the same time, so you don't get to compare them to figure out which is which. And continuing with the Pearls and Jade, the Pearls and Jade is actually a cross between the NJoy and the Marble Queen. This helps to explain why there are so many similarities between the plants. Here you see the three of them together. See the similarities? Which again adds to the confusion. Now, the Pearls and Jade is actually patented by the University of Florida. And just a tidbit to know, it is illegal, therefore, to propagate this plant. Just giving you a look at the Marble Queen, and now back at the Pearls and Jade, and then to the NJoy. See all the similarities? And here they are all together. I hope this has helped you kind of clear up some of the confusion, being able to compare the plants. And I do have pictures at the end with them labeled. Don't rely on the store labels because, like I said, a lot of times these plants are mislabeled because they are so very similar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.